Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting journey into the wonders of our everyday lives. Ever stop to think about how totally awesome breathing is? It's something we do without even thinking, yet it's so crucial. It's like the ultimate superpower we use every single second of every single day. Whether we're running, sleeping, or just chilling, breathing is our constant companion. Without breathing, our bodies would be like cars without gas, totally kaput. Just imagine trying to function without that vital fuel. Why? Because breathing brings in oxygen, the magical ingredient our cells need to make energy and keep the good times rolling. It's like a secret ingredient for life. Think of oxygen as tiny power pellets that fuel our bodies. Every breath you take is like a mini power-up for your cells. No oxygen, no energy, no fun. Our bodies would simply shut down without it. But breathing isn't just about inhaling this awesome oxygen, it's a two-way street. It's also about getting rid of carbon dioxide, the waste product our cells make. This is just as important as taking in oxygen. Imagine if we kept all that garbage inside. Our bodies would be in big trouble. Breathing out is like taking out the trash. It keeps our bodies clean and running smoothly. It's a vital part of staying healthy. So next time you take a deep breath, remember, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Embrace the power of your breath and feel the energy it brings. Okay, so we know breathing is important. It's something we do every moment of our lives without even thinking about it. But how does it actually work? What happens inside our bodies when we take a breath? Get ready for a wild ride through your respiratory system, starting with inhalation. It's more exciting than you might think. Picture this. You take a deep breath in and the air rushes in through your nostrils. It's the first step in an incredible journey. It's like a roller coaster zooming into a tunnel. The air is on a thrilling ride. The air then travels down your trachea, which is like the main airway in your throat. Next, stop, the lungs. This pathway is crucial for delivering oxygen. Your lungs are like two big sponges that inflate as you breathe in. They soak up the air, ready to distribute oxygen throughout your body. But here's the cool part. They don't inflate like balloons. It's a more complex and fascinating process. Instead, a powerful muscle called the diaphragm, which sits below your lungs, contracts and flattens out, giving your lungs room to expand. This muscle plays a key role in breathing. As your lungs expand, they suck in air like a vacuum cleaner. This action draws in the oxygen your body needs. It's like magic, but it's actually just science. Pretty cool, huh? The process is both simple and complex, making it a fascinating part of our daily lives. Now that we've inhaled all that fresh oxygen, it's time for the grand finale, exhalation. Just like inhalation, exhaling is all about teamwork between your lungs, diaphragm, and some other cool muscles. Remember how the diaphragm contracted to make room for air during inhalation? Well, when you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and pops back up like a bouncy ball. This gently squeezes your lungs, pushing the air out. As the air exits your lungs, it travels back up the trachea and out of your nose or mouth. And guess what? You don't even have to think about it. Your brain automatically controls your breathing day and night. So go ahead, take a deep breath in and let it all out. Feel that. That, my friends, is the power of exhalation. Section 4. The tiny trade-off, oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. Okay, so we've covered inhalation and exhalation, but the real magic happens deep inside your lungs in tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are the unsung heroes of your respiratory system. Think of alveoli like microscopic balloons clustered together like grapes. They are incredibly small but play a huge role in keeping you alive. There are millions of them in your lungs. In fact, if you were to spread them out, they would cover an area roughly the size of a tennis court. Here's the deal. Surrounding each alveolus is a tiny blood vessel called a capillary. These capillaries are essential for the gas exchange process. These capillaries are like superhighways for oxygen and carbon dioxide. They ensure that gases are transported efficiently and quickly. As you inhale and oxygen fills the alveoli, it jumps across to the capillaries. This process is vital for oxygenating your blood. It's like a tiny game of tag. The oxygen molecules are it, and they tag the red blood cells. The oxygen hitches a ride on red blood cells, which act like tiny buses, and travels throughout your body, delivering that precious oxygen to all your cells. This journey is crucial for cellular respiration. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide from your cells travels back through the capillaries to the alveoli, where it's released when you exhale. This removal of carbon dioxide is just as important as bringing in oxygen. It's like a perfectly choreographed swap meet, with oxygen coming in and carbon dioxide going out. This seamless exchange keeps your body functioning smoothly and efficiently. Section 5, Lungtastic Facts, did you know? So there you have it, the amazing journey of breathing. But before we go, here's a fun fact to impress your friends. Did you know that your lungs are the only organ in your body that can float on water? It's true, they're filled with tiny air sacs, remember? So the next time you're swimming, take a moment to appreciate those amazing lungs of yours. They're working hard to keep you alive and kicking. Keep on breathing, science fans.